My name is Ramdas Athole. I am the Social Justice and Empowerment MOS in Narendra Modi's government. I became the minister third time. First time 2000, second time 2019, and third time 2024. My party's name is Republican Party of India. My party is also supporting the National Democratic Alliance on the leadership of Narendra Modi ji. And last 10 years, my party is also with BJP. I am originally from Maharashtra, from Mumbai. And I was the 3 times member of parliament in Lok Sabha. And now second time in Rajya Sabha. This is my 5th time in the parliament. And I am also very proud that in Northeast, every state my party's committee is also there. In Nagaland, last time my party contested the 8 seats and 2 MLAs elected. And my one MLA, इनका पूरा नाम क्या है? Lima, is one Mr. Lima. He is also elected from the ticket of RPI. And 2 MLAs we went here. We contested 8 seats in the election. 2 we win, 4 were on second, and another 2 were on third numbers. Therefore, my party's strength is also good strength in the Nagaland. Mr. Mugatho is the state president of RPI of Nagaland. And one Mr. Sagar, who is also the Naga Mandi's coordinator. He is also staying in Delhi. He is originally from Maharashtra. But Naga Mandi started yesterday. Yesterday, Honorable Chief Minister was and myself, we inaugurated the Naga Mandi. And yesterday, this program was over here in this hall. And yesterday, we met Honorable Chief Minister. And Chief Minister, we discussed near about half an hour. And I have given the proposal that in Nagaland, some industrial development should be there. And therefore, I invited him to Mumbai. And I will arrange one meeting of some business people. And that meeting will be held in the presence of Honorable Chief Minister. And some industry should be come here. Therefore, unemployed youth will be get the employment. And for the benefit of Nagaland, to increase the revenue of Nagaland, industry should come here. And in many big industrials are staying in Mumbai, because Mumbai is the economical capital of our country. And therefore I will try to come some industrialists here. But there should be one meeting with Honorable Chief Minister Rioji. And I am also very proud that only this state, Mr. Rio became the Chief Minister 5th time. And only Nagaland is having 60 MLA seats. And all MLA seats are supporting Honorable Chief Minister Rio. There is not a single member is not opposition member. All members are supporting the government. And this is also very good ideal in all over India. Because in another state, there is no situation as like as Nagaland. All MLAs are supporting the government, the Honorable Rioji. And my party is also supporting our 2 MLAs are also supporting to the government. Yesterday we discussed near about half an hour, and he has given me the information that the Nagaland people wants one another airport in Koima. Now in Dimapur there is only one airport, and there should be the good development, there should be the good airport in Dimapur. The many flights should be started from here and there, and I have given the assurance that definitely I will talk with Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Amit Shah ji, and the Civil Aviation Minister, Mr. Naidu. I will discuss with him, and definitely I will try to sanction the proposal of Koima Airport. That the Koima Airport proposal is also pending from some years back, and therefore definitely I will give my time to sanction this important demand of the Honorable Chief Minister. Honorable Chief Minister and his MP, CC, no? MP party's name?
NDPP.
Huh?
NDPP.
NDPP, yeah.
Yes.
His party is also supporting the National Democratic Alliance, the leadership of Narendra Modi ji. Therefore, the pending issues some pending issues are there as a MOS of Government of India. Definitely, I will try to sanction all that proposals. Today, I discussed with my Social Justice Ministry's officers and the director of the Social Welfare and another all the officers were present there, and they have given me the information that seven de-addiction centers, Nasha Mukti Kendra, de-addiction centers, 7 de-addiction centers are already started here in Nagaland, and 4 proposals are pending to the Government of India. I have given the assurance to the officers. Definitely, when I will go to Delhi, I will discuss with my ministry, and definitely I will sanction that 4 pending proposals. And another boys de-addiction centers, the 5 de-addiction centers, the Nagaland Social Welfare Department wants, and therefore I will definitely try for that. The disabled communities population is near about 30,000. The disabled community, Divyangjan communities population is 30,000, but in all over India near about 2 crore 68 lakh as per 2011 census. The disabilities population is in all over India 2 crore 68 lakh. And in Nagaland, 30,000 disabled communities also here. Here is one blind school in Dimapur, one deaf school in Dimapur, and 4 disabled schools are in Koima. The AD camps, 6 AD camps were held in all over the state, and near about 1,90,000 senior citizens are also all over the state, and 53,000 senior citizens are getting the pension. One issue is there, one issue came in the assembly, that the 11 crore budget is for the nutrition abhiyan for Anganwadi. The Anganwadi strength is near about 3,980 in all over the state. 3,980 Anganwadis are there, and the nutrition Abhiyan is also there. In this Anganwadi department, near about 131 workers are working there, and another money will be go to the nutrition. But this issue is under the women and child welfare. This is not on social welfare, but in assembly. One MLA asked the question, and already government has given the answer. There is not any corruption because 11 crore rupees budget is there, and therefore there is not any corruption in this issue. That officials tell me about that. And District Disability Rehabilitation Center, DDRC, Dimapur, Dimapur and Mon and Tensang, Mon and Tensang, and to facilitate comprehensive services to persons with disabilities. The ministry has stopped the funding for DDRC Dimapur since 2013, which has hampered smooth functioning of the center. Center may reconsider funding the center for the benefits of PWDs. Mon and Tensang proposals submitted several times through DCS. The ministry may consider early execution and release fund. This is also they have given me. Definitely when I will go to Delhi, I will arrange one meeting with the officers, and this pending issue should be clear from our ministry. Another composite regional center, CRC, Irali Bill, Dimapur, to provide both preventive and promotional aspects of rehabilitation like education, health, employment, vocational training, research, manpower development and rehabilitation for PWS. Draft MOU submitted to the ministry through Swami Vivekananda National Institute of Rehabilitation Training and Research. The ministry may examine the draft and consider early execution. This is also, I have given the assurance, definitely I will help to this proposal. De-addiction centers for female, Kohima and Dimapur. They provide facility for the treatment and care to females who are dependent on drugs. Special project submitted to the ministry in 2022 under the National Action Plan for Drug Demand Re-addiction. This also definitely I will see. And de-addiction center for boys under 18 years, Dimapur, Kohima, Mon, Moko, Chung, and Kifayar, to provide facility for the treatment and care to boys who are into substance abuse. And this is also definitely I will see. And already our ministry has started the Nasha Mukta Bharat Abhiyan in all over India. And there are many boys, many students, many people are taking the Nasha. And therefore we want the Nasha Mukta Bharat Abhiyan. And you know that our Honorable Narendra Modi ji started many schemes. That Pradhan Mantri flagship scheme, the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme was started 2014, and now 53 crore 20 lakh bank accounts are opened. in all over India, and in Nagaland 3,98,000. 3,98,000 accounts has been opened. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. This Mudra Yojana is we are giving the loan from the bank from 50,000 to 10 lakh. But now in the budget, Finance Minister announced that 10 lakh to 20 lakh, 50,000 to 20 lakh, we will give the money from the bank to unemployed people use, and near about 49 crore 19 lakh. 49 crore 19 lakh people get the benefit of this scheme in all over India, and in Nagaland 1,40,000. 1,40,000 beneficiaries are there. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, gas cylinder Yojana, in all over India 10 crore 33 lakh. 10 crore 33 lakh people are getting the benefit of the Ujjwala Yojana, gas cylinder Yojana. And in Nagaland 1,22,000. 1,22,000 gas connections are allotted. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Rural, in all over India near about 3 crore 41 lakh 30,000. 3 crore 41 lakh 30,000 houses are constructed, and in Nagaland 10,000 houses are constructed. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban, in all over India 86 lakh 30,000. 86 lakh 30,000 houses are constructed, and in Nagaland 24,000 houses are constructed. Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, Ayushman Bharat Yojana, this all over India near about 7 crore 58 lakh people are beneficiaries. But now there is no information of Nagaland. But this is also a program, and our Narendra Modi's government is also very strong government. Our government is continuing up to 5 years, and definitely we are taken the important decision that near about 3 crore houses we sanction the budget to the poor peoples, and last 10 years near about 25 crore people are come out from the poverty, and this is also a good thing. Our India was economically in all over world on 10 number before 2014, but in these 10 years we come from 10 to 5th number, and definitely we will hope that in this 5 years our economy will go to number 3. That is also our agenda, and on the leadership of Narendra Modi ji, very good development is also there, and opposition is also going to propaganda that this government should be changed the constitution, but Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Baba Sahib Ambedkar has written the constitution, and therefore nobody can change the constitution. But Congress and India front always propaganda that this government will be change the constitution. But I assure that our government is also supporting the constitution. Our government is also supporting the philosophy of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Therefore, Honorable Narendra Modi ji can't change the constitution. We are also strengthening the constitution. This is also our agenda. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas. This is also our main motive. And therefore, we are also going to develop all over the country. We want the development of the country, road development, employment development, and many projects. And I will try that one big project should come in Nagaland, and near about 10,000, 15,000 people will get the job. And that also I will talk with the heavy industries minister, and any big project should be come here. That I will try. And this Naga Mandi's work is also going on. Mr. Sagar and Mr. Abhijit Abhijit Sahu. Abhijit Sahu is the managing director of this Naga Mandi, and near about government has given the 5,000 land to this agriculture, and this Mandi will be work for the help of the farmers and unemployed youth also, and this program is also very important program.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.